My slaves, لا خوف عليكم. There's no fear on you today. اليوم. ولا أنتم تحزنون. Nor are you the ones that are going to grieve. You see, these words are in the second person, which means Allah will address the believers on Judgment Day, and no sound can be more calming on that day than Allah saying, you have nothing to fear. Anybody else telling us, don't worry, it won't calm us down. But Allah will calm the believers down Himself. Usually we learn, لا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون. Now we're reading, يا عباد لا خوف عليكم ولا أنتم اليوم ولا أنتم تحزنون. So this is an honor, additional honor given to believers, that on Judgment Day everybody else is terrified and believers are being given consolation directly from Allah Himself. May Allah make us of them. الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا بِآيَاتِنَا وَكَانُوا مُسْلِمِينَ. Those who believed in our miracles and our revelations, and they had been Muslims. أُدْخُلُوا الْجَنَّةِ. Enter Jannah. أَنْتُمْ وَأَزْوَاجُكُمْ. You and your spouses. Now you have so much happiness that nothing can make you upset. Nothing can make, that's hibr or hubur. So today you have been made happy beyond all sadness. There's no sadness left. You are happy beyond happy. And tuhbarun is the maf'ul form, the passive form, majhul form. What that suggests is this happiness wasn't even possible for you before. This is a form of passive happiness that's been instilled into you. It's been given to you. يُطَافُ عَلَيْهِمْ بِصِحَافٍ. This you should be really happy about this ayah. Then the servants are going around with sihaf. You know what sihaf is? Gigantic trays. Gigantic trays with multiple plates in them that the entire family can eat from. Or if a plate, back in traditional days, they used to have gigantic plates. They would put them in the middle of the floor, and the whole family ate from the same plate. Like traditional Afghani families, the Afghani families do this, traditional Afghani families, Yemeni families have this, Khaliji families have this. This is a gigantic plate, and everybody digs in. But these servants are coming around with massive plates going all around. يُطَافُ عَلَيْهِمْ بِصِحَافٍ. Sihaf min صَفْحَةٍ وَهِيَ الطَّبَقْ الْوَاسِعِ. A large plate. الَّذِي تَأْكُلُ فِيهِ الْأُسْرَةُ كُلَّهَا. The one from which the family, all of it can eat. مِنْ ذَهَبٍ وَأَكْوَابٍ. Now the plate themselves, the trays themselves are made of gold and silver. And وَأَكْوَابٍ, they're made of gold, and akwab, gigantic cups, large cups. وَفِيهَا مَا تَشْتَهِيهِ الْأَنفُسِ. And in it is going to be whatever makes people, what people really, really want to have. So you'll have cravings. You'll want to drink something. And what you really, really want to drink is going to be inside these large cups. وَتَلَذُّ الْأَعْيُنِ. And then on top of that, there's going to be, the eyes are going to enjoy tastes. Ladha is usually for the tongue. Ladha, ladid, ta'amul ladid, delicious food. But taladhul a'yun, the eyes are going to enjoy wonderful taste. Allah acknowledges that there's such a thing as something pleasing to the eyes. The eyes looking at something. People go to these decoration stores. They go to like IKEA, or they go to like, I don't know, one of those fancy stores like Pier 1 or something. And they look at all that decorative. This will look good here. That'll look good there. This color matches that color. We want things that are pleasing to the eyes. And that's an industry in and of itself. Interior decoration, fashion, colors of cars. What color car am I going to pick? What looks good? Most people purchase a car because of how it looks. مَا تَلَذُّ الْأَعْيُنِ, what it looks like. So this is, now Allah will give us things to look at in Jannah, and we're just going to be like, our eyes are going to taste the joy of it. You'll look at stuff and you'll be like, wow. Can't take my eyes off of that. وَأَنْتُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ. And in that you will permanently remain. In it you will permanently remain. وَتِلْكَ الْجَنَّةِ الَّتِي أُورِثْتُمُوهَا. This, and that in fact happens to be the ultimate paradise which you all have inherited. بِمَا كُنْتُمْ تَعْمَلُونَ. Because of the things you were doing. لَكُمْ فِيهَا فَاكِهَةٌ كَثِيرَةٌ مِنْهَا تَأْكُلُونَ. In it you're going to find all kinds of joyous fruits. Happy fruits. Fruits you eat and make you happy. From which you get to pick, you will get to eat.